step off the limb now. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Hello everyone, today we are going to see about one of the NASA's greatest missions called as the Cassini mission or the Cassini-Huygens mission. Now, the Cassini-Huygens is a space program on collaboration between NASA, ESA and the Italian Space Agency. The Cassini is a space probe designed to study the gas giant Saturn, its rings, moons and many other researches. It was produced by NASA. The name Cassini came from an Italian astronomer named Giovanni Cassini. Now coming to the Huygens. The Huygens was a lander designed to land on Saturn's largest moon, the Titan. It was created by ESA. The name Huygens came from a Dutch astronomer named Cassini-Huygens. The Cassini-Huygens program was launched on October 15, 1997 on a Titan 4B rocket, a rocket which is manufactured by the famous Lockheed Martin company. The rocket has two boosters accompanied by three main stages. The total cost for this mission was $3.26 billion. Now let us see the journey of this spacecraft in timelines. As we saw before, on 15th October 1997, the spacecraft was launched on board the Titan 4B rocket. On 26th April 1998, the spacecraft flown by Venus for gravity assist. As Saturn is a faraway planet, it would take more amount of time for the spacecraft to reach there with the help of its boosters alone. So Cassini took advantage of various planets' gravity for some acceleration. On 24th June 1999, the second gravity-assisted flyby of Venus occurred. On 18th August 1999, Cassini performed a gravity-assisted flyby of Earth. This was followed by a gravity-assisted flyby of an asteroid. On 30th December 2000, the spacecraft performed a gravity-assisted flyby of Jupiter and produced some images. You can see that the Cassini performed various gravity-assisted flyby around various planets for its journey to the gas giant Saturn. Now let us jump to the timeline of Cassini's primary mission. On the month of February 2004, Cassini took several images of the planet Saturn. After years of journey from its launch, on 18th May 2004, Cassini entered into the Saturn system, where the gravitational influence of Saturn was much larger than the influence of Sun. On 2nd July 2004, Cassini completed its first flyby of Saturn's largest moon, the Titan, and sent images of it. The Titan is an interesting moon. It is the second largest moon on the solar system after Ganymede of Jupiter. Titan is the only moon with dense atmosphere other than Earth. A crazy fact about this moon is that it is larger than the planet Mercury itself. The atmosphere of Titan consists of nitrogen and minor compounds like methane, ethane and etc. If you had wondered why the lander to this moon was named as Huygens, the moon Titan was found by the Dutch astronomer Cassini-Huygens, hence the name of the lander. On 16th August 2004, scientists announced that Cassini has found two new moons of Saturn, which were later named as Methone and Pallene. Pallene is a small moon compared to Methone. On 25th December 2004, the Huygens probe separated from the spacecraft and began its journey to the moon Titan, as you can see in this animation. After nearly 3 weeks of journey, on 14 January 2005, Huygens entered into the Titan's atmosphere, and after 2 hours, it soft landed on the Titan's surface, thus becoming the first spacecraft to land on the outer part of the solar system, or region behind the Jupiter. This footage was released by the European Space Agency. Some of the tiny rocks you see here are icy substances. Cassini performed various scientific experiments and also flyby of Saturn's moon Enceladus and many other moons. The Enceladus moon just looks like a fresh ball of ice. The Cassini's mission was further extended into 3 stages, called as the Equinox mission between 2008 and 2010, and the Solstice mission between 2010 and 2017, and then the grand finale. If you wonder what is equinox and solstice, equinox is a phenomenon where the daytime and the nighttime is same and the Earth's equatorial axis passes with the same as Sun's equator. And the solstice can be marked as the beginning or end of summer or winter, which may differ from various regions. So, many experiments took place between 2008 and 2017, and it was time for the Cassini's journey to come to an end. Now where would they deposit the spacecraft? They couldn't leave it as such and can't try to land them in any of Saturn's moon, as the spacecraft would contaminate the atmosphere, which could hold some microbes. So scientists came up with the idea of plunging the spacecraft into Saturn's atmosphere so that it would get completely disintegrated. This process was called as the grand finale and took place on 15th September 2017. During its mission, Cassini took various historical images from Saturn. One such image was the hexagonal layer on the Saturn's north pole, as you can see here. And the other historical image was the pale blue dot image. The small blue dot you see here is Earth as taken from Cassini in Saturn's orbit. Cassini has spent 20 years in space, with 7 years spent in journey and 13 years in revealing the beauties and the mysteries of the Saturn system. Thank you for watching. So see you later. Bye bye. Cheers.